Have you ever sat in front of your computer, staring at the screen, knowing exactly what you need to do, but your brain just won't cooperate? You open an email, then close it. You read the same paragraph 3 times and still don't get it. You've had your coffee, maybe even your second or third cup, but your mind still feels foggy, dull, and unfocused. If you've ever felt that way, you're not alone. And chances are, the problem isn't a lack of willpower, and it's not that you're bad at focusing. More often than not, it has to do with what you've been feeding your brain and what you haven't. The brain is the most complex and the most energy-expensive organ in the body. Even though it makes up only about 2% of your body weight, it consumes roughly 20 to 25% of your total daily energy. In other words, for every 4 to 5 calories you eat, about 1 calorie is used just to fuel your brain. And the brain never truly rests. There is no real sleep mode. Even while you're asleep, your brain remains constantly active, forming memories, processing information, regulating hormones, and keeping you alive. And unlike your muscles or your liver, the brain has no ability to store energy. It depends almost entirely on a continuous supply of fuel from the food you eat every day. That's why the way you eat doesn't just affect your weight, your heart, or your digestion. It directly affects your focus, your memory, your alertness, and your overall mental performance. Put simply, you can't expect your brain to function like a high-end computer if you're only feeding it cheap fuel. In this video, we're going to break down what to eat to keep your brain sharp, focused, and mentally energized all day long, based on modern nutrition science. Not flashy claims like, eat this one food and instantly get smarter, and definitely not miracle supplements. Just simple, practical principles that actually work and fit into the busy lifestyles so many of us live today. Before we talk about what to eat, there's one important thing we need to understand. The brain doesn't just need sugar. For decades, you've probably heard the phrase, the brain needs glucose to function. And that's true, but it's not the whole story. The brain needs glucose, yes, but it needs a steady supply, not sharp spikes followed by sudden crashes. Think of your brain like a modern electric car. If you're constantly fast charging it with an unstable power source, the battery drains quickly. The ride becomes jerky, and overall performance drops. But if you charge it steadily, slowly, and consistently, the car runs smoother, lasts longer, and performs far more reliably. Your brain works the same way. To function at its best, the brain needs 5 key elements. First, it needs stable energy, mainly from complex carbohydrates. Second, it needs healthy fats, especially omega-3 seconds, to build and protect brain cells. Third, it needs protein and amino acids, which are the raw materials for producing neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and acetylcholine. Fourth, it needs vitamins and minerals, particularly B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and zinc. And finally, though it's often the most overlooked, it needs water. When even one of these elements is missing, the brain can still function, but it does so less efficiently, more slowly, with less clarity, and with a much greater tendency to feel fatigued or mentally stuck. Smart carbohydrates, keeping your brain alert all day. One of the most common reasons people lose focus in the morning or early afternoon is unstable blood sugar. A breakfast high in refined sugar pastries, sweetened cereals, or sugary drinks may make you feel alert for the first 20 to 30 minutes, but it's often followed by sleepiness, fatigue, and that familiar feeling of brain fog. The brain likes glucose, but it prefers glucose that comes from complex carbohydrates, which are released slowly into the bloodstream. Foods like whole oats, brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, and legumes provide a steady supply of energy that can keep your brain fueled for hours. That's why so many people notice better focus when they switch from a donut and latte breakfast to oatmeal with fruit and nuts. It's not because oatmeal is magical, but because the brain isn't being hit with an energy spike followed by a crash. Another interesting point is that the brain also dislikes prolonged hunger. When you skip meals or eat too little, the brain prioritizes energy for basic survival functions, while higher-level tasks like focus, creativity, and decision-making take a back seat. That's why eating enough, not just eating healthy, is also essential for strong mental performance. Healthy fats, the foundation of a sharp brain. When it comes to the brain, many people are surprised to learn that about 60% of the brain is made up of fat. That doesn't mean the brain is afraid of fat, as we've often been told. The real issue isn't whether you eat fat or not, it's what kind of fat you eat. Among all types of fats, omega-3 seconds, especially DHA, play a critical role. DHA is a key structural component of neuronal cell membranes, and it directly affects how efficiently signals are transmitted between neurons. When these cell membranes are flexible and healthy, signals travel quickly, clearly, and efficiently. When DHA is lacking, the membranes become more rigid, signal transmission slows down, and you experience that as poorer focus, weaker memory, or slower reaction times. Many studies have shown that diets rich in omega-3 seconds are associated with better focus, stronger long-term memory, and a lower risk of cognitive decline later in life. It's no coincidence that in countries with a long tradition of eating fatty fish, rates of cognitive problems tend to be lower. Good brain-friendly sources of omega-3 seconds include salmon, sardines, mackerel, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and omega-3 enriched eggs. A simple dinner of grilled salmon, leafy greens, and a drizzle of olive oil is already a very brain-friendly meal. You can think of it this way. If your brain were a Wi-Fi network, omega-3 seconds would be the high-quality router. With enough omega-3 seconds, the connection is stronger, more stable, and far less noisy. Antioxidants, a protective shield for long-term brain health. The brain uses a large amount of oxygen to produce energy, and that also means it generates more free radicals. Without proper protection, these free radicals can damage brain cells, impair memory, and accelerate the aging process of the brain. This is where antioxidants come into play. Colorful fruits and vegetables, especially berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with powerful antioxidant compounds. Blueberries are even often called brain berries because many studies have found a strong link between blueberry consumption and improved memory. Dark leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and broccoli, also provide folate, vitamin K, and a wide range of plant compounds that support brain health. Green tea, thanks to its combination of polyphenols and L-theanine, can improve alertness while also promoting a calmer, more focused mental state compared to caffeine alone. Even dark chocolate, when you choose varieties with at least 70% cacao, can benefit the brain due to its flavonoid content, as long as it's consumed in moderation. A simple, easy-to-remember rule is this: what's good for your heart is usually good for your brain as well. A healthy heart improves blood flow, and the brain is one of the body's most blood-hungry organs. Protein, the raw material of thought. The brain communicates through neurotransmitters. Dopamine helps drive motivation and focus. Serotonin supports mood stability. Acetylcholine plays a key role in memory and learning. And all of these chemicals are made from amino acids, the building blocks of protein. When your diet lacks enough protein, the brain doesn't have the raw materials it needs to produce these chemical signals. That can show up as low energy, poor motivation, difficulty focusing, or unstable moods. Good brain-supporting sources of protein include eggs, fish, yogurt, legumes, lentils, chicken, and turkey. Eggs are especially noteworthy because they contain choline, a nutrient that's essential for memory and brain function, yet often lacking in modern diets. Water, the most underrated factor. Even mild dehydration, as little as a 1 to 2% loss of body weight, can significantly affect focus, short-term memory, and reaction time. The brain is highly sensitive to hydration because it relies on proper electrolyte balance to transmit signals. Many people feel mentally off or foggy in the afternoon, but the cause isn't a lack of coffee, it's a lack of water. Drinking fluids consistently throughout the day, instead of waiting until you're thirsty, is one of the simplest and most affordable ways to boost brain performance. A day of eating for a sharp brain. A brain-friendly day of eating doesn't have to be complicated. In the morning, you might have oatmeal with berries and walnuts, or eggs with whole grain bread. Lunch can be a balanced meal with leafy greens, a good source of protein, and complex carbohydrates. For snacks, yogurt, a handful of nuts, or an apple with peanut butter work well. In the evening, keep dinner light and easy to digest, and avoid too much sugar or alcohol so your brain has time to recover while you sleep. The brain doesn't need expensive or complicated foods. It needs consistency, balance, and smart choices in how you eat every day. When you eat in a way that keeps your blood sugar stable and provides enough healthy fats, protein, vitamins, and water, your brain pays you back with greater clarity, stronger focus, and better mental performance. And here's the interesting part. When your brain is healthy, everything else in life tends to feel a little easier, from your work and learning to your mood and your relationships.